Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Apple. An apple is a round fruit. It can be red, green, or yellow. Apples are sweet and juicy. I like to eat apples in the morning. Apples are good for health. Banana. A banana is a long yellow fruit. It is soft and sweet inside. I eat bananas when I feel hungry. Monkeys like to eat bananas too. Bananas give me energy. Orange. An orange is a round fruit. Its color is orange. It tastes sweet and a little sour. I drink orange juice in the morning. Oranges have vitamin C. Grapes. Grapes are small and round fruits. They grow in big bunches. Grapes can be green, red, or purple. They taste sweet and juicy. I wash grapes before eating. Pineapple. A pineapple is a big fruit with rough skin. It is yellow and sweet inside. I cut it into small pieces. Pineapple juice is very tasty. I like pineapple in fruit salad. A mango is a sweet and juicy fruit. It is called the king of fruits. Mangoes can be yellow, orange, or green. I love to eat mangoes in summer. Mangoes are full of vitamins. Lychee. Lychee is a small round fruit. It has red skin and white soft inside. Lychee is very sweet and tasty. I like to eat lychee when it is fresh. Lychee grows in the summer season. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.